guys, we're going to be doing another fire video with a franchise Madden 23. So we're going to be doing, and then we're going to be, and here are the rules. We are going to be doing every time we win, we'll get a player. Every time we lose, we'll have to trade a player. Let's get right into it. So guys, we're going to be doing a rebuild with the Raiders roster. Let's get right into it.
So let's get in and see where we get going.
Yep. Guys, we're going to send to mid-season and see how much wins and losses we have. If we don't have any wins, then you have to sell. Then we're going to have to sell the players. But if we do, we have all wins. It's pretty good. So guys, the standings are either 1-5.
Yeah, that can
We kind of suck, so we got to sell 5 players.
Yeah. The Broncos are actually 6-1. We have to sell 5
And
players and we get 1 player.
Yeah, let's go.
So we're gonna spin the wheel and see who we have to get rid of. And let's see. Alright. So a defensive lineman of our choice.
D-line.
So let's see. Let's get rid of left end.
Left end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Matthew Butler is the first person we're getting rid of. Let's go. Alright, now spin it again. So we have to get, yeah. Next. Yeah. No, it's receiver.
DeMar Hamlin.
Oh, we can get DeMar Hamlin. We traded away Matthew Butler and we got upgrade to him because Matthew Butler was 64. Then we got 66. Then we got 69 overall. What was his name?
Nick Williams.
Nick Williams. Alright. So let's see how this goes.
We got a return receiver, and it's going to be whichever Williams is. I cannot see.
No. Why the
I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm sorry, you have to go.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Jamar Chase, Mike Hilton are in second. Jordan Poyer a first and a third. A fast safety, Jesse Simmons, 73 and 91st. Denzel Ward, J.C. Jackson, Creed Humphrey. Or you know what? Gosh, look at him. Can we get Terry? Ooh, 2 wide receivers and a second. That'd be pretty good. Right tackle, halfback, and wall first.
I think we should.
I'm gonna try to do it often.
So we've decided to go with this Jamar Chase trade. So let's see if we can get it. Yep.
Done deal.
So now welcome to the team, Jamar Chase.
Welcome to the team.
Now this is our left outside linebacker. We're gonna trade out Malcolm Kuntz for Jason Pierre-Paul. We could have done Max Crosby, but we wanted to keep him because the defense needs some rebuilding.
Yeah, which we just got some depth at the right outside linebacker. And let's see who.
Now let's see who we have to spin the wheel again. 3 more. So this is the next spin. 3 more. Alright, defensive line.
Defensive line of your choice.
Right. So let's see here. I think we should go the defensive. We're gonna go for defensive tackle. Jonathan Hankins. Oh, for this Jonathan Hankins trade, we're gonna do the Jeff Okuda trade for the Lions to give us a depth at the cornerback. So
And tight end. And tight end.
But not right now. So let's see what the next wheel spin is gonna be.
So
let's see what we have next. We have next
Punter,
AJ Cole.
Oh, yeah, AJ Cole.
So let's see if we that's a trade for Ed. It's not bad. 84 overall. Let's see
We don't have a backup punter.
For AJ Cole, we're gonna fill our old holes, our D tackle, and we're gonna have to like sign a new punter because we don't have a backup one. So let you guys know. See if it will.
So we got D tackle and strong safety in the lineup right now.
Yeah. Alright, so let's go. So next is gonna be
Punt returner, please.
no. Alright, so We'll play with toys. Okay, should we get like a basketball or a baseball? We'll see.
Or should we get like a decent monitor to get?
Since the Rays already traded away Derek Carr, so we're gonna choose Derek Carr to be traded away. Devontae.
We might go.
Oh, Javon Hargrave. Shaq Mace.
Oh, great.
It's not. So not.
We got some good picks.
Oh my goodness. I think we might.
Oh, cornerback left. Darren Payne. Tight end. If you can.
Power. Tua.
Tua and Teddy.
Okay. Debo.
Or
AJ Terrell.
but we got cornerback.
Yeah.
That's good cornerback there. Or we can go here, but no, we don't have any receivers. Two receivers. Two quarterback.
Monroe. Is that Monroe?
Yeah, it's Monroe.
Oh, I think we should get Monroe.
That's safety, D tackle.
DK. No, it's Brady Cooks. Let's go into our discussion, the CUD discussion, and what we think we should get is the AJ Brown trade. See, should we get it? Yep. Alright. Now this is gonna be so we're gonna use a draft pick to get this position. Let's see who we have to get.
We don't get like kick returner, punt returner. Maybe we can use a punter.
D tackle? Not bad, me neither. Alright, so let's see where we can go. This might be a steal for the Browns, but we sent our number 1 draft pick away to get Javon Hargrave. So let's see if he can help us or not.
Guys, this is how our team is looking on offense. And then the defensive side is looking at this.
So it looks a lot better, I'd say. Yeah,
The backup when Crosby.
we need to upgrade. Definitely a quarterback.
And left end.
Yeah, that looks good right now. So let's see what happens. Unfortunately, we ended up going 6-11 like the Raiders past season, but this is the playoff bracket, and we have to lose 6 people and then add 4. So during the off season, at the end of the season, now we're gonna make it where we're not gonna train one because it wasn't working out when we were trying to do it. So I don't know what's happening right now. So we're just gonna be signing people off the free agency to help us. So let's see what happens. We're about to put a bid on Tom Brady because the second best quarterback is gonna be
Baker Mayfield.
So yeah,
We're going on a 4-year contract.
I don't know if he's gonna last that long, but let's see what happens. Putting a bid on Bradley Chubb, Tom Brady, which we wasted a lot of money on. See what
We did spend a lot of money.
And on Bradley Chubb, we did not get him.
We did not.
He signed back to Broncos. So let's see what happens. On the next,
So
we're gonna start the draft, trying to bid on Horn Day, see who wins. Is anyone else in the conference?
Oh,
We're the
no.
only people, so we might win him. Let's see what
If
happens.
we do win them, that's good.
Yes.
That is good.
Trade the drawing for the Rams trade for these 2 picks.
They're pretty good picks.
I mean, and we need.
And the strong
and then
safety.
we
And
need.
we need some depth with the strong safety.
Yep.
Let's see where it's starting strong
Let's
safety.
see if we lose them.
Let's see if you got a good offer or a bad offer.
Yeah,
A good offer. Got a perfect offer.
So we're gonna be posting this rebuilding the Raiders until they win a championship every 2 weeks on the weekend. So let's see what end up having happen, and let's see how quick we can get the this season over to like them winning a championship, and then we'll pick another team to do until we've done probably all the 32 teams. As you can see, our next pick is a second round pick. So I'll show you. We're gonna select Brandon Scott from San Jose State, my favorite college, and off campus like we need to get San Jose State person, and then it's like the 4th best quarterback.
Yeah.
So we're gonna select him.
Yeah,
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
It might not. This is a 2nd round pick. Ooh, not bad.
Yeah, he's just gonna be.
He is number 2.
Yeah, that's your curse number. That is your curse number.
Because of Jamarcus Russell. Oh no. Just saying Jamarcus Russell. But let's see how we do. Signing Luke Lipton, or we're not signing him, but we're drafting him. And he's from Stanford. Let's see what he does to do for us. We're in the 4th round because now we
Auburn,
traded.
Maryland,
We
Oklahoma,
traded our first round pick
Ball
earlier in the first fit.
Utah, Arkansas, West Virginia, Miami, Missouri, BYU, Duke, Clemson, Florida, Arkansas State, Ohio, Texas, East Carolina. Okay, these are all days right.
Alright.
Ohio State.
Let's go up and see who we should select. I think we should select the best player. I think we should, second rounder. Either time. Right. Let's see. Okay, not bad. 99 speed for a receiver. And he's number 17 to bounce around.
And his 88 jumping and 95 acceleration.
Ryans. See how
Yeah, I just want to see.
Oh, never mind. We're not.
No, we are. Oh, no, we're not getting Brian Matthews.
Alright, well. We're gonna tie the Ryans. And I think we have to pick after this, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, not bad. This might be a good round. Next pick, we are up.
So what should we go with? Oh yeah, right tackle.
You mean right tackle?
Yeah.
Oh, best fit Raiders. Okay. Oh, not bad. Alright,
Okay, good string.
Second and third pick, and then we set.
Oh my
So that was our last pick of the draft. Let's see what happens. It looks like we've helped this team a lot, I feel like. Alright?
Yeah,
Your
so
quarterback in
defense.
class?
So defense.
Not bad. We're gonna be good this year.
What happened to Devontae Myers? You saw him maybe?
No.
Well,
Well,
oh wow.
now see special teams. See if it's the same or not. Yeah.
Okay, so punter and kicker, they suck.
Alright. So it's fine.
Well, look.
It's fine. Alright.
Then we got 2 homecomes. Guys, this is gonna be a series of the Raiders rebuild, and then after when we finish and they win the Super Bowl, then we're gonna be doing another team, which you guys should comment down below and say which one it is. Like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe and